coffee.
Yes. Let's try this. Watch. Let's see. We got all the slimy.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things.
So on today's channel, day something of quarantine, we're going to make slime. And we will be using Elmer's glue, food coloring, and I have the Food Line brand food coloring, and Tide dishwashing detergent. I literally just YouTube this, and that's what we're gonna make today. Trying to say welcome to my channel. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Okay, today I'm gonna make my slime.
I was there going to my slime.
So first we need my glue.
Glue.
And you're gonna pour it in your cup.
I want to do it.
Okay, let's pour it.
Slime. It's slime, Mommy.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's enough. And then put the glue top back on.
So many slime.
Yeah, we're gonna make slime. And then we have our colors. What color are we gonna use today? We have blue, we have green, we have yellow.
I want to have yellow too.
Okay, let's see. Okay,
I want to do it.
you put, hey, watch your fingers.
want to do
Look, push it. See, 1, 2. All right.
Whoa, so slime.
Let's see. Let's do a yellow green kind of
I
color.
want to do my yellow. I got my yellow.
Okay.
Mommy, I need to open my yellow.
That's not yellow. That's the blue. So now we have to stir it up. So wait, not with your finger. Okay, you ready? Now we're gonna mix it.
I want to do that. I want to do that. Mom, I want to do that. Right? Don't hold the
Okay.
thing. Listen. Mom, this is sun. With some green slime. Mom, can go nice and dry, sorry?
Okay, you got it nice and stirred up. Let's see. Let's show 'em. Say, see? You got it.
I got it. Not my bowl. I don't need my bowl.
You gonna take your bowl off? Okay. Now we have our Tide dishwashing liquid, and we're gonna put a little bit at a time. We're gonna stir.
Let me see higher.
Ooh, you can get up higher.
Where is it down here?
Okay. Let's see. Alright. Got up a little higher. Now we added our dishwashing liquid to it. And we're going to stir. And we see it getting stuck together. And it's turning into slime. And we just keep stirring it.
What is slime? It's slimy.
And stir it and you stir it.
What is slimy? Well, you're slimy, Mommy.
And then let's pour it in your hand and test it out. Ooh, it's so slimy.
It was slime.
Oh, wow. It's slimy.
It's slimy, Mommy. I love slime.
You love your slime.
Hey, I got my own slime.
Huh?
I got her slimy.
Yeah.
Oh, some slimy.
And tell them, say, it's that easy.
It's not easy. Do you like white
So I don't
slime.
think we added enough dishwashing liquid because we have slime everywhere. And what I didn't look to see is if it comes out of clothes, because we have gotten it all in her pants. Luckily not her hair, but all in her pants. So we will be retrying this and seeing if we can get a stronger consistency. When making slime, I think the heat, your body heat, makes it extra slimy, because when it's on the, she has her Elsa placemat down, and when it sticks to this, it's not so tacky. But when it's on your hands, it is very hard to get off. Like, see, this rubber ball is like this when it's grouped together as one, but then if not, it tends to be all over the place. So we're gonna put that back in there. I'm gonna add a touch more of the detergent.
Oh, my wiper boo.
And see if it makes a difference to the consistency.
What's this, the car?
So
So
we
we go
have
like
mixed it in
purple?
a container.
Well, we went purple.
It feels slimy.
It's still not like purple. It's still like
Mixy,
green.
mixy, 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 mixy here.
No, it's purple.
Ooh.
I got it.
Let's see what it comes out with now.
Yay, slimy! My wrist is slimy. Let me play with it.
And this is a better consistency.
Mom,
It's
you let
actually
me play
slimy.
with it. You let me play with it, Mommy. Wow, look at all me.
It's slimy,
Put it in my
but
hand.
this
Put it
a
in my
more
hand.
rubbery
Look,
consistency.
put
Wait,
it in
let's see.
my hand.
You gotta show them.
Yeah.
Yay!
Look, guys, I made.
Rub it on your hand, rub it on your hand. Rub it on your hand, rub it on your hand.
Oh, what's he down though?
Rub it on your hand. And pick up all the slimy pieces that you made a mess with earlier.
Yeah. And now going to purple. Let's go
And
to
now-
purple.
Yeah, now we're gonna make purple.
Yeah.
So you have your green one. Let's put that one right there. And then we'll get the rest of your green out of the container. Put it there.
Mommy,
Hmm?
let's go to purple. Got green here.
Mm-hmm.
And let's go to pink.
Now I'm gonna make purple. Red and blue make purple.
Hmm?
Red and blue make purple.
I want to go
So
that.
let's see. We had our 4-ounce container of glue, and we used kind of like half of it. So we're just gonna pour the rest, and I only fill the Play-Doh container. It's an empty Play-Doh container. We had a thing of Play-Doh, and she lets it get dry. We just fill it to right above, right above
I
here.
like slime, Mommy. I do like slime.
Yeah, you love slime.
Yes, I do.
We just fill it right above the, what does it say? Where it tells you that the Play-Doh container is 3 ounces. We fill it right above that. Then we add our color. So we're gonna make purple. So we're gonna do a teensy bit, a literal teensy bit of red.
I love it.
And then
Blue.
just drop a blue there. And then we put it together. Stir, stir, stir.
Mommy, what's the...
And then we actually did get like a pinky color, so let's add.
I'm going to purple.
Add some more blue to it. Stir, stir, stir.
It looks like blue.
And
I want
we
to
get,
put blue slime. I want to put blue
we
slime.
honestly get like a unicorn snot color from it.
No, that. See, I like yellow. See, I like yellow too.
Red.
Red? Why I got a purple one? I like Playdoh. I do like slime, Mom.
So I think this is about as good as purple as we're gonna get here.
I love purple, Mommy.
It's like a pastel purple. Alright, you ready?
That hurts.
What hurts?
My...
And then we're gonna pour our Tide in here.
Mommy, the whole higher.
Okay. Get on your knees. There you go. And then we're gonna mix.
Yeah? This mine.
Mixy, mixy, mix. Let's see. Pick up your slime here.
I do white slime. I do white
Mixy,
slime.
mixy, mixy, mix.
I do white slime, Mommy. I do white slime.
Let's see.
Slimy.
Mixy, mixy, mixy. Looks kind of weird in the container. And then, hold on.
I want slime, Mommy.
So,
I want
let's see.
slime. What you doing?
I'm mixing it. Well, I'm kneading it.
Then, Mommy, just do that. The ulcers. It looks like that color. I love green.
So this one has some pieces of green that was already on the mat. And we just knead it. And I want to make sure that it's slimy enough to where she can pull it and play with it, but it doesn't get stuck in her fingers. Like the mess we made before. And there we have it. Purple slime.
Purple slime.
Trying to say, make sure you like. Say like,
Like,
comment,
comment,
and subscribe.
and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Kiss. Mwah.
It's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry.